Hey everyone, welcome back to Autodynamic, your ultimate destination for high-performance machines and cutting-edge automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into a masterpiece from Ferrari, the 2025 Ferrari 812. A car that embodies pure power, precision, and the soul of Maranello. Buckle up because this is going to be one exhilarating ride. Ferrari has always been synonymous with raw power and elegant design, and the 812 has been a prime example of that philosophy. The 2025 model takes it to a whole new level, pushing boundaries while staying true to the brand's legacy. At the heart of the beast is a naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering an earth-shattering, insert horsepower figure if available horsepower. Ferrari's engineers have fine-tuned every aspect of this engine, ensuring that it not only screams at high RPMs but also delivers seamless power throughout the rev range. The sound, absolutely intoxicating, pure, unfiltered V12 symphony. Performance-wise, the 812 rockets from 0 to 60 in just insert acceleration time, making it one of the quickest Grand Tourers on the planet. But what really sets this Ferrari apart isn't just the straight-line speed, it's the way it carves corners with surgical precision. Ferrari's advanced aerodynamics, rear-wheel steering, and cutting-edge suspension technology make the 812 feel agile, responsive, and incredibly balanced, whether you're attacking tight bends or cruising on the open road. Now, let's talk about the design. Ferrari has always blended beauty with function, and the 2025 812 is no exception. The sculpted bodywork, aggressive front grille, and air intakes aren't just for show, they're engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Every line, every curve, serves a purpose, ensuring that this machine slices through the air with minimal resistance while looking absolutely stunning. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that's all about the driver. High-quality materials, race-inspired ergonomics, and a digital instrument cluster that puts everything you need right at your fingertips. It's a perfect fusion of luxury and performance, reminding you that this isn't just a supercar, it's a Ferrari. Technology-wise, the 812 comes loaded with Ferrari's latest driving aids and infotainment features. Whether you want to unleash its full potential on the track or enjoy a long-distance drive in comfort, this car adapts to your needs with multiple driving modes, intelligent traction control, and cutting-edge connectivity options. So, who is this car for? If you crave an unfiltered, naturally aspirated V12 experience in a front-engine Grand Tourer that delivers breathtaking performance without compromising comfort, the 2025 Ferrari 812 is in a league of its own. Ferrari has once again proved that the spirit of driving is alive and well. The 812 isn't just a car, it's an experience, an emotion, a testament to everything Ferrari stands for. That's it for today's episode of Autodynamic. If you love content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, if you had the keys to the 2025 Ferrari 812 for a day, where would you take it? See you in the next video.